Hi, I'm Susan Tier with a quick tip for ESL teachers. Often in casual conversation, we want to agree with what the other speaker is saying. I love this weather. Me too. I like going to the movies with my friends. Me too. Me too is an easy, quick response. We hear it all the time. However, when we want to agree with a negative sentence, a sentence with a negative verb using the word not, usually it's a contraction. I don't, I can't, I shouldn't. We cannot answer, me too. I don't like carrots, for instance. We should say me neither. You can use the N rule. Negative sentence, using the word not, say me neither, another word that starts with N. I don't like carrots, me neither. Now, to confuse things a little bit, when we're using a negative idea, but not a negative verb using the word not, the response is different. When we use hate, reject, despise, these kinds of words, and we want to agree, then we use me too. I hate carrots, me too. The point is to make casual conversations and expressions that we use often easy for our students. And the N rule is an easy way to clear up me too and me neither. Have fun teaching.